Since 1974, EDM Group has been providing information management services and solutions for some of the largest companies and public sector organizations in the UK and the US. EDM empowers their clients by delivering significant improvements in efficiency, compliance, customer service, and cost, while helping them remain agile and innovative. From scanning and records management to digital mailroom, EDM provides the business process optimization their customers need to succeed today and in the future. In the highly competitive BPO market, EDM must do this faster and more effectively than other BPO providers or the customers themselves.
What we've actually seen happen in the last few years is the price for scanning is driven down by at least a half, the price for storage is driven down by a half. In the really, providers in that market are now fiercely competitive for what is actually a decreasing market because paper's going away.
When I've been involved in the BPO business, my aim has always been to do it differently. So you use technology to actually make it cheaper, or you use scale to make it cheaper, and you use production techniques that actually make you more efficient than clients. The other thing is, as someone who's run in-house businesses as well as commercial services companies, my view has always been if you outsource at a specific point in time, then the danger is you'll be left with that specific point in time solution 5 years from now, and that never works. So if you're going to outsource, then you've got to outsource to companies that are prepared and dedicated to continual improvement and continually enhancing the product range.
That dedication to continual improvement drove the company's long-term vision for optimizing their digital mailroom services, a key service area for EDM that processes a variety of document types for customers and eliminates massive quantities of paper at the point of entry.
There was a large volume of paper coming through the systems, and the in-house manual data capture and the manual processing we were doing to classify the documents was becoming onerous, and EDM wasn't quite as flexible in the marketplace as it needed to be to win business.
As a leading information provider in the UK and US market, we now have about 15 IBML style scanners. They scan about 10,000 pages an hour each, so you can imagine that we easily get up to 40–50 million images of scanning a month. And all of that you need to do something with. You need to store it, index it. But the key thing that we use Perceptive Intelligent Capture for is the post. So we have about as many as 3 million mail items coming in our front door and through our post bag that we have to process within a 4-hour SLA and get to our customers on time. All of that goes through Perceptive Intelligent Capture to classify and extract data from to work out who best to send it to in the business.
In EDM's digital mailroom, the objective is clear: transfer relevant data directly into enterprise systems, accurately archive electronic documents, and route the right information to the right recipients every time. But up against heavy BPO competition, EDM needed an edge, and to get it, they needed a technology partner that could understand and solve the unique challenges of the digital mailroom. They found that partner in Perceptive Software.
No surprises that all of the products were pretty good at invoices. As soon as you started going away from invoices into general post and other letters, you really divided up the products then, and there was only one that stood out for us, and that was Perceptive Intelligent Capture. It could learn more quickly and it could process a much wider range of documents for us to a much higher level of accuracy than any of the competing products.
We were actually looking for things that would not just help our scanning business, which is what most of the software vendors had emanated from, but things that would actually help our data information business. So turning documents and the contents of those documents into information for the customers. We felt that the product that Brainware had developed, which is now part of the Perceptive suite, would actually give us more than just the bits that we could get from the other vendors.
EDM chose to bypass traditional OCR technology in favor of Perceptive Intelligent Capture, a single solution capable of high-speed sorting, processing, and learning of all document types and the data they contain, while transforming that data into valuable information for their customers.
What made Perceptive Intelligent Capture different for us is that it's joined up the process of classification, extraction and validation. So they all know about each other and what's going on. You work out what the document is. Based on the document type, you then extract the relevant fields that you want. And if you can't work out the document type or extract the data, it goes into a validation stage where someone tells it where to find that stuff, and it learns. So it's like a circle, it goes back round, and the learn set is being improved all the time. So that makes a real difference, that you're joining up all those stages together from an input to an output. In our business, that means that we can treat that like a black box. We're doing a very big cycle here of receiving items in a mailroom, then doing the intelligent capture piece, then storing them, and then processing them. We don't want to cobble together half a dozen pieces of technology to do the capture piece. We wanted one solution that actually did that whole piece for us and gave us that building block of our digital mailroom.
The enhanced automation capabilities brought about with help from Perceptive have had a substantial impact on the velocity, volume, and accuracy of EDM's digital mailroom offering for their customers. And new business is booming.
By introducing the software into new projects, we're now delivering the solutions in mailrooms faster and more consistently than we were when we were processing these types of work by hand. The speed now allows us to deliver SLAs up to 2 hours from receipt. Within the mailroom, we've seen a 300% increase in business, which would be unachievable without the automatic data capture and classification technology that the Brainware solution provides. That means that we've managed to reduce the SLAs that we have delivering work to our customers, and therefore helped our customers meet their business process requirements to process things like ISAs and other application documents through the systems.
With Perceptive Intelligent Capture technology, EDM is eliminating manual work from the process, increasing accuracy and speed, delivering new projects for customers in a fraction of the time, and revealing untapped insight into key business data for their customers. With their eye on adding the greatest value to business process automation, EDM is gaining a clear edge on their BPO competitors.
So for us, it was, we wanted a longer term relationship. We weren't trying to solve a single product process. We were looking at how we could use it for a variety of our clients, and how we could further down the line use it for providing more information back to our historic clients. The thing with an EDM is, because it's been part of a sort of filming, scanning business for about 20 years, we have a lot of data, online data, for our clients, and therefore be able to analyse past information as well as categorise and handle future information was a part of our business plan. And I think with Perceptive and the experts in Perceptive, they've helped us get there.